Hi guys, my name is Usman, and in today's lecture we are going to look at a concept of memoization. Memoization is a programming technique that attempts to increase a function's performance by caching its previous computed results. Because JavaScript objects behave like associative arrays, they are ideal candidates to act as caches. Each time a memoized function is called, its parameters are used to index the cache. If the data is present, then it can be returned without executing the entire function. However, if the data is not cached, then the function is executed and the result is added to the cache. The function is an integral part of the programming and they help to make the code modular and reusable. Now let's see memoization in a practical example. So first of all, let's create a project directory called memoization and let's go into that directory. The IDE that I'm going to use for this example is Sublime text editor. So and the file I'm going to use is memoization.js. Let's get started by creating an arrow function memoized at equals let cache. Let's create another inner function return value check if the value exists in the cache array console.log and we say fetching from cache and return cache and in the square bracket value. Okay, let's write the else part. Console.log calculating result, let result equals value plus 10 cache value equals result return result. So what will happen here is for the first time we pass 10 to the new add function, it is calculated because it hasn't been cached. But the second time when we call the same function with the same value and it's cached and returned from the cache instead of calculating. Let's save this program and run it on the console. Okay, let's go back to console and ls and node memoization.js. So you can see we have returned the first result by calculating it, and the second one is cached and it is returned from the cache instead of being calculated. So this is the concept of memoization in JavaScript. It is very useful when writing huge application and complex code, especially that involves complex calculations and mathematical operations. That's it for this video training. See you in next JavaScript video training soon. Bye.